Hi and welcome to this video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the sheet metal in Solidworks. To activate the sheet metal, right click on the command manager and make sure that your sheet metal is checked in. And in the sheet metal option, the first command I'm going to explain in this tutorial is the base flange command. So this is used to create a primary wall, and to activate it, I'm going to select this command here. And now it asks me to select any plane here. So for example, I'm going to select the front plane, and now it automatically switches to the sketching mode. And now I'm going to click on the sketching environment, and I'm going to draw a rectangle like this and then exit from the sketcher. And now my base flange command is activated, and currently the sheet metal parameters are displayed. You can also vary the sheet metal thickness by using this thickness box here. For example, let me type a value of 0.5, and now my sheet metal has a thickness of 0.5. You can also reverse the direction of your thickness by clicking this reverse direction key. And you can also set your bend allowance by selecting the various options below here. And also you can specify the auto relief command by specifying any other types such as the oblong, rectangular and the tear shaped. And as soon as you completed your model, just give a check mark to it. And now my base flange is created, and with this base flange I can draw the other commands. With this base flange as a primary wall, I can draw the secondary wall by using the other commands in the sheet metal options.